got there? Dodge Challenger?
That's a Dodge Demon.
Dodge, excuse me, David, Dodge Demon. What's going on, y'all?
This is my breakfast for today. Just because I don't feel like cooking anything. And this is quick and readily available. Got a cold. Well, it's getting better, but so my voice is messed up. There's Delaney. Delaney, what are you doing? What are you doing? Eat Cheetos for breakfast. So we're gonna. I finished that Maserati. Well, except injectors late. We got a game plan on a couple Trackhawks as far as like alignment issues. Black Lamborghini got dropped off just now off transport, and we've got all that. What else? We got a bunch of stuff. Can't think of it now, but we'll see shortly.
Fix most of the running problems on that on that Maserati and the electrical draws. It was like last night, like 1:30 in the morning, I fixed the trunk latch. The portion where it tells the trunk that it's closed had a broken wire inside the latch. Took it apart, fixed it. It does need a TPS module, so I need to get price availability on that. And all these other cars. So.
All right.
We got Jimmy who's holding the Ford down. Jimmy's like a funny guy. He's like, reminds me of like somebody that be in like a cartoon or a movie. Like he's got this certain walk about him. If you like pay attention to him, like when he's doesn't know anybody's paying, he's always doing like these weird things. Like he was doing this little like dance thing over by the sink. And then I think it was Saturday. Saturday was his birthday. He just turned 21. And it was like he came up to me and said something. He's like, yeah, I'm about to get out of here. He's got this real funny way of saying it to me, at least. And it's, he said something. He's like, yeah, I'm about to get out of here. And hold on, what the f did he say? It just struck me as funny. I laughed when he walked away. He said something like, I'm about to get out of here and do something and enjoy my birthday, or something this funny little word. And I was like, okay, Jimmy. And he's walking away at a later point, right before he left. He just bought this motorcycle, this Ducati, and he walks with this like funny walk. He's watching from the back. There's like, there's no way I could replicate it. He's got this funny walk, and he's like, he doesn't know I'm behind him. He's doing this little thing like turn his hand like he's riding a motorcycle. Who knows what the hell is going on in his head? I'd love to like live in his head for 10 minutes tops. That's it. But he's funny. Like he's a really good kid. He always stays busy. Works real hard. But I like him. He's always in a good mood.
Got what? It's got 2 spares and a jack. I know a jack, right?
Yeah. Also, it's made out of wood. That's Jerry and his wife. Jerry's like a super funny guy. Like, man, if he's drinking, holy shit, you'll be like crying, you're laughing so hard. Him and his wife they're both outrageous. Like, they'll say they like embarrassing people, so they do a really good job at it. They're like a tag team effort. But he's good. He owns like a janitorial company or something. His senior's a real good friend. I've got some wild stories about Jerry.
What's he dropping off?
He's dropping off the Demon crate for Anders Demon, or Senior's Demon. So he dropped it off Saturday. He's got a buyer for it this coming Wednesday to buy it, so that's the crate for it. So this is actually, believe it or not, this is the first Demon crate that we've ever had here. Out of all the Demons that have been in here, this is the first time I've ever actually seen the crate in person before, which seems kind of unbelievable, but it is. So, kind of cool. I'm kind of anxious to see it, honestly.
Because we post.
Yeah. So we just got this crate dropped off, and so this crate dropped off, and what this is Senior bought a Demon. Senior's outrageous. He buys and sells stuff I can't even describe it. He's got the attention span of like a gnat, so he gets tired of everything really quick. Cars, houses, girls, anything. But he just bought this Demon, and then he already sold the Demon, and so this is the crate. So the Demon's outside. It's indigo blue, red interior. It's a pretty rare color combination. So the new owner is coming Wednesday, coming here to pick it up. So we're gonna have a detail for the new owner, and this is the crate. So Jerry is Senior's friend. That was Jerry and his wife. Super cool people, hilarious. Like, you go out drinking with them, oh my God, like they love to embarrass you. So he dropped the crate off, and this crate says it was originally for Bob Menendez. So Mr. Bob Menendez, if this was originally your car, your crate, it's at Forza right now, and then it's going to some other new owner. So this is number 2056. So they make 3,000 Demons. So I guess this is 2056. So this is the first Demon crate that we've actually even had here. I looked in here already, and it is, everything's in it. So nobody's done anything with it yet. So it's still, that car doesn't have the crate PCM or octane button or anything in it. So pretty cool. Might do an unboxing video for any of y'all that have not seen this and want to know what's inside it. Maybe I'll go into detail and explain it. It's a little sneak peek. So that's it.
Hey, just doing a switch wiring for LEDs on a customer's vehicle that was already in for a stage 4 kit. We noticed the LEDs had a draw. He's got a ton of LEDs on this vehicle, and so we're going above and beyond and wiring up a relay and a switch to be able to switch it so we can solve the voltage draw issue. Yeah, got the relay wired in, getting ready to ground it. Got it hooked just to ignition, so the relay is going to actually turn it off and on, since he does have this T3 remote. This controls all the different kits. So basically now, instead of the LED modules staying on non-stop where he uses this for power off and on, I've got it hooked up now to ignition. So even though it is LEDs, as many kits as on here, it does have a current draw. So now, in theory, it's hooked to the ignition. Turn it on. Turn your power button on. And then ground it. But the ground will be hooked to where it comes on at all. You know, once the ignition's on, once you turn the ignition off, it goes off. So other than that, wrapping it up now.
How's it going, everybody? Jeremy with O City Queen over here at Forza Tuning and Performance. We just completed a paint correction on a 2021 G63 twin turbo Mercedes. This thing is beautiful. So what ceramic coating is, it's a layer of ceramic coating is a layer of protection. Think about it as glass. You're putting a layer of glass over your vehicle's paint. Protects it from the elements, the water, the dirt, the debris, bird droppings, tree droppings, you name it, it helps it. And not only does it help it, it enhances the shine.
All right, Jeremy, show me how it works.
I'll show you how it works. Give me 1 second. Let me finish getting it off on this panel. We'll walk over it. All right, so ceramic coating. We were talking about it being a layer of protection that goes over the vehicle, enhances the shine, protects it from the elements. The biggest thing is the repellent block in it. Let's say you come out in the morning, tree stains all over your vehicle, you're worrying about the sun drying it. That's where the ceramic coating comes in. This panel is not treated yet. We're almost on this side of the vehicle. I just want to give you a little demonstration, untreated. So you're gonna pay attention to the water, the way it lays down. Once it lays down on the vehicle, there's no beading. You see that little blanket of water? So let's say it sat out here, it sits in the sun, that blanket is gonna dry. We'll do it again, even on the quarter panels. It blankets down. One more time, just for looks. Now, let's come to the coated side. This thing is beautiful, right, brother?
Yeah.
This side was coated. So, The blanket's at the minimum. Mind you, it's been coated probably 20 minutes, which requires a 3-hour cure time. So I'm gonna have to come back over this once we're done with this video. You can see, the blanket's at the minimum. So yeah, there goes a couple of answers to what is ceramic coating, why is OCD Queen in Forza. Brenton's a really great person. He decided we're in the middle of a pandemic. It wasn't the right time for me to open my own shop. So here he is. A lending hand is always a great hand to have. Brenton Brown, I appreciate you.
I love you.
Dude, why do you keep farting in here?
He really is, like, seriously.
My
Right before
God.
you walked in the door, I was like, oh my
Come on,
God.
let's go outside. Duke has been farting in his damn office all morning. Come on, let's go outside. Well, you not. You didn't go to bed. Are you done? You still haven't shit. You're stinking up the office. You good? Are you good?